guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make jiggly slime. Let's get to it. The materials you need for this jiggly slime is a bowl, a utensil, I'll be using a fork, some activator, I'll be using Tide, a cup of glue, I'll be using blue glue, and a cup of water. Let's get started. So the first step is to pour in your glue. After you've put in your glue, now you can add some of your water. Only add a little bit, then use your utensil and mix. After you have added your water, you can slowly add some of your activator. After you add a little bit, mix it in quickly. And make sure you add in more activator as you go. After you are done mixing, take it out of the bowl and start mixing with your hands. It may not stretch, and that's good. After you're done mixing, it should look something like this. And now you can get the rest of your water and dip your slime into your cup of water. And then you can take it out and mix it with your hands. After you've dipped your slime into your water once, repeat that exact same process a few more times. This should be your final product. And as you can tell, it is very jiggly. And yeah. And if you want it to be more jiggly, then make sure you add more water. And if your slime is too sticky, add a little bit more activator to yours. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!